this structure has broken down at this 270. I've highlighted many times in my past videos that this would test this 240 level very soon. That's why the chart helps even the long term investors. So this used to be the long term support, right? And when the market has broken this support, Jio Finance have already highlighted that this was the breakdown, and we are seeing a massive 20% correction. The stock was almost made its high in last April. Since then, it is down almost 35% for a large cap name. That's massive, right? Hello, investors. Welcome to Chart Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 39 of our 100-day price action challenge. As you can see, the market has turned into red zone again. Today, Nifty is down 320 points, almost 1.4%, and Nifty Junior, which we have been talking a lot, that one of the weakest among all the indices, is down again 2.6%. Even the mid cap select index is down 3% almost. Mid cap index is down 2%, small cap 2. So, almost to summarize, there has been a 2% correction in the market. We have been expecting that from a very long time, that as the market is slowly coming to its previous support, we would be getting a rejection here, and that's what exactly happened today. And look at the severity of the fall. One single candle itself has almost taken out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 last 6 days of price action. It has engulfed. This is what usually people call bearish engulfing pattern. Let's just not get too much into technical terms, but you can simply see it on the chart, right? Nifty was going down here, and it took almost 5 days to move up and reach this level, and it only took just one single day, and it has gave up all the returns for the last 4 5 sessions, right? That's what, even India VIX is up again 3.9% because budget is coming ahead. At least the event of Trump joining or taking the charge has completed now. Let's see how the market tunes. Again, the bank Nifty yesterday, with the help of Kotak, it was up almost 2.5%, right? Again, it gave almost all the returns. Again, the previous day before yesterday, bank Nifty was around this level, and today almost we have reached the similar level. Same with private bank Nifty. Even PSU banks yesterday, we thought they are showing some strength. Today they are down another 1.7%. IT is slowly sliding down. It is becoming weak. Auto again is very weak. In fact, it has made a new fresh low. That's what we have been seeing, right? It should not make a new fresh low. If it makes, we would be seeing another correction. Look at reality. Just yesterday itself, we thought it took almost 5 6 sessions to reach this one candle, and it all just took one single session. That means that the market is not at all in a long mode. It is very tough situation to trade in the market. We never know what happens. So that's why I've been highlighting that stay away from the market if you're traders. And if you're long-term investors, probably think, recheck your portfolio. What are the stocks which are standing this fall? And what are the stocks which are correcting left and right? You need to exit the very weak names. You need to hold only the strong names as of now. Look at infra. At least FMCG didn't correct much today, but it has already done a lot of damage, right? Same with telecom. Yesterday we thought telecom was doing very well, and again today there has been extreme reversal in the market. Looks like the market is not going to improve at least for further time. Let's wait for the budget. Let's only trade after budget. Personally, I have been holding on to 100% cash. I have not been trading for the last few weeks. So now let's start with our index again. Look at Reliance. Reliance was doing well, and we thought, let me just change the layout here. We thought that Reliance would be doing somewhere around here, this line, but look at here, it got again rejected exactly at this line and down another 4%. Same with TCS, it is looking very weak, right? Even HDFC Bank is just consolidating sideways now. Bharti Airtel, which has just broke above this long consolidation yesterday, to again today again it came back, right? Look at ICICI. Before the result itself, it is down 3% and it has successfully broken down this level. This itself speaks, right? The banking space, especially the private banking space, is not looking good. Infosys to same thing happening. Post the results, it is not even trying to recover this gap. It is become very weak. SBI again a big reversal candle happened today. ITC at least holding up as of now. So is all FMCG names. LIC again, I've told you, right, this would come all the way to 875 and gets rejected. And the short sellers were not even patient. They had made their call even at 865. So this marks as the perfect short entry position if you are looking to short. But honestly, I would suggest stay away from the market itself unless you are a professional trader. HCL Tech, at least as of now, holding, but again, it doesn't look very interesting, right? L&T, same story. Sun Pharma tried to move up again. You see a major big reversal here, right? Bajaj Finance at least looking at bit decent here, but again, it was up almost 4% yesterday and down 2%. So as long as it holds above this 7,130 level, it's good. But if it is going below that level, it means the same story is repeating. NTPC same story, looks like it's very weak here as of now, down 4% almost today. Axis Bank too, it is not even stopping the correction. See, we have told you that once it breaks below, it might go further down, and it is going down. Maruti used to be a strong name, at least as of now, it looks a bit decent, but again, you can see the trend, right? There is no strength left here. Kotak Mahindra yesterday, it was a stellar result. As of now, holding this within this yesterday's window, it would be interesting to watch. If it is a stronger name, I would expect it to hold these levels when the correction is persisting, and when the correction has ended, it should ideally break out over this level. If it is a very weak name, it would ideally fill the gap and go back to this long term consolidation. Mahindra and Mahindra, it has become very weak lately. Post this scenario, you have seen that there has been non-stop selling in a man. Now let's start with OMGC. OMGC, at least as of now, it's looking much better than all other stocks. But again, there has been a major selling right now. It is trying to go here. But again, who knows? Tomorrow the market might go down and it would test these levels again. Tata Motors, nothing interesting. Ultratech Cement, see, it tried to reverse up, but look at here. From the top, it is down 3% almost. Adani Enterprises, nothing interesting happening here. Power grid, same thing as of NTPC, right? Just got rejected here. That's what I was highlighting. I usually don't trust these V-shaped recoveries, right? Yesterday I've been emphasizing on lot of stocks are showing V-shaped recovery that usually don't end up very well. Titan not doing good. Bajaj Auto again broke down its long-term support now, and it is currently going down. See, that looks much scary. It is slowly getting weaker. Probably the next level would be somewhere around 7,900 or 8,000. Adani ports, nothing interesting. It is going down. See, that's what people thought because of this 1, 2, 3 days recovery, it happened here, right? From 1,000 to some 10% recovery. But again, it quickly gave back. That's what happens in such market. Coal India, same story. You know what's happening here. Asian Paints again, very weak name, right? See, you can clearly see it on the chart. Wipro as of now still holding up, but again, I've told you, unless and until it closes above this 300, 303 level, only then I would be interested to take the position. Let's wait and see whether it holds or not. HAL again a big reversal. Defense stock, this was the 1 or 2 days move which was due to the news update, but again due to the market weakness, even they are reversing down. Bajaj Finserv as of now a little bit holding up. Look at this chart. If the market scenario is doing good, probably this one might have tested these levels, right? Probably these levels. But since the market is not doing good, let's not waste our time here. DMART, nothing interesting, still downwards. Trent, see, I've told you here that if it breaks this support, this would be acting as a near-term support for Trent. And look at here what happens. It has broken down and we are seeing another major big fall, 6%. This used to be a darling stock for many people and investors for a very long time, but right now it doesn't look very good, right? It has broken its structure. Since I'm zooming out chart, you can see that this would be the crucial support and it has came down. Adani Green, very weak name, ignore. Simons again, see, a little short covering here happened and again it has started its downtrend. JSW is still at least trying to hold these levels as of now, doing good. Adani Power again down 2.7%. See, it was up 20% in a single day, and people thought Adani stocks were recovering. So, never ever assume that with 1 day's price action. Zomato, I think this is the talk of the town. Zomato is down 10%. I've seen that the results net profit were dropped by almost 50%. And since this was very overvalued stock, again, I don't want to comment on the fundamentals or valuation or anything. What I would see is on the chart, and this structure has broken down at this 270. I've highlighted many times in my past videos that this would test this 240 level very soon. It has tested. Then on this day also we have talked that this is a major reversal. The stock was down almost 10% from its day high, and the same thing happened yesterday, and today it was down 10.5%. So that's why the chart helps even the long term investors. So this used to be the long term support, right? And when the market has broken this support, Zomato, it is ideally makes sense that to exit some part of your stocks. That's why again I'm not a advisor, but take your decisions accordingly. Nestle not doing anything. IOC as of now at least it has held up a little bit. Surprised I am. Let's see if it respects this 130 level. Maybe a kind of bottom formation. Bharat Electronics same like HAL. Varun Beverages again a correction of 2%. Probably again we can draw a line here, right? These levels, this 537 540 levels, right, almost it has just taken rest here. Again same story, something like Trent, right? This used to be a very darling stock for many investors. Again, if it breaks this 540 level, we might expect somewhere around here 490 and another somewhere around here. So 16 to 18% kind of correction. But again, never predict the stock price, only follow the price. Jio Finance have already highlighted that this was the breakdown, and we are seeing a massive 20% correction. The stock was almost made its high in last April. Since then, it is down almost 35% for a large cap name. That's massive, right? Not at all looking good market. DLF again just got rejected at this support level. That's why I emphasize try to see some patterns on the chart, try to learn the chart. Probably you might be understanding this in a much better way after 100 days. Tata still as of now holding here. Same with Vedanta. Looks like the metal stocks are not giving up. See, you are noticing the finer details, right? Look at the other stocks. They were almost making another new lows, but these stocks are holding well. So let's wait and see. It would be interesting. Grasim very weak. IRFC again very weak. Probably again budget is coming up. If there is no news on railways, I think again the railway stocks would be going down. LTIM going sideways as of now. Indigo again got rejected here, going down. Tech Mahindra still holding these levels, but let's see how it turns out. SBI Life used to be strong name, right? Again today also it has tested its 50 EMA. So even the recovering names are also going back again. Pidilite, it has literally broken down, making going down fresh lows. It is making fresh lows. ABB, same scenario like Siemens, all other electric names. Divi's Lab still going sideways. If it breaks below this level, then again you need to worry. HDFC Life slowly sliding down, right? This was the positive gap it has created. Now it is filling up this gap. Hindalco again, metal stocks are at least holding up relatively well today. PFC again waiting for its result, I guess. So probably it might consolidate here, and Britannia nothing interesting going sideways. Ambuja Cement nothing interesting here. Gale too same going sideways here. Still it got rejected around this level. Tata Power same story. It has a short covering again got rejected here. RSE just like PFC itself. Mothers and Sumi, auto stocks are not doing good, and even this probably even now the 140 138 level is there, right? If it breaks this level, it might slide down again. BPCL, so I think the oil stocks and metal stocks are holding well as of now. Look at here, right? BPCL, despite on such a weak day, it is holding up. So that's interesting, little bit interesting. Godrej Consumer Products again got rejected here. We can just move up this, right? Eicher Motors, nothing interesting. Bank of Baroda, still they are waiting for their results. Till last week, we have waited for IT company results, right? Now it's the PSU bank and the banking space. So they would react according to their results. Cipla, nothing interesting here. JSW Energy, again a quick turnaround here, going down. TVS Motor holding as of now, but again, already most of the damage has been done, right? Torrent Pharma, we have been telling that it should not break this line. If it breaks, we might expect somewhere around this level, and it's happening. Sriram Finance, nothing very choppy. See, not leave this chart for few days. It's not looking very good. Chola going sideways as of now. Bajaj holding same kind of story, getting tighter, but again, this would be the same level again. Last time it has literally made a fool out of traders. Let's see how this goes this time. Adani Energy Solutions, nothing interesting, going sideways. PNB same, waiting for results. Dr. Reddy's too, probably it might test this trend line. United Spirits going sideways. Lodha, again, major reversal. See, the stock was already down 26%. It has recovered probably only 8%. That's even one third of it. And today you are seeing another 5% correction. iPro not looking good. Havels too, again, probably testing these levels, going down again. Below 1600 is not good zone for Havels. Bosch, another new fresh low. See, just like all the auto names. Apollo tried to move up. Little bit interesting here. Zydus again sideways. Hero Motocup again new fresh low. At least TVS Motor was holding up, but not good. Of course, Naukri is down 4% because Zomato has been correcting left hand at 10%. Policy Bazaar is also correcting. So it's completely natural to expect this correction in Naukri too. Tata Consumer Products, interesting. See, it is at least holding up. Out of all these names, probably this is not yet correcting. That's a good sign. Dabur again going sideways. ICICI General Lombard too, not looking interesting. Yesterday I have highlighted that last time it happened the same. Today also it is repeating same time this time. Zindal Steel going sideways. Sri Cement not looking good here. See, Canara Bank, still, I've told you, it needs to close above this line. Then we can see some kind of trend reversal. Till then, it is in downtrend yet. Union Bank, same story almost. It needs to break above this 130 only. Then we can say some strength is there. IndusInd very weak. Adani Total Gas very weak. NHPC again slowly sliding down. BHL, look at here. BHL again. BHL is going down. It's just got rejected at this 220 to 18 level. It was the support. This was the perfect, right? This was the perfect breakdown to short this stock. It was down almost 22%. Now again it is going down. IRCTC to same story. So I think we have reached the summary. There is nothing much to discuss. The market is not at all looking good. Please don't trade. And if you're planning to buy the lows, wait for some bottom formation. Wait for some signs of reversal. Ignore. You might miss out 5-10% move, but don't just try to catch the falling knife. So till then, see you tomorrow. Thanks a lot.